What's going on, traders? It is the 2nd of May, into a new month here. Perhaps a new month will spark a new uptrend here for the crypto markets. We're going to take a look at a daily XRP chart on TradingView. If you have not yet joined us here on YouTube, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the channel. Thank you very much for all of the new subscribers and the current subscribers as well. So we're going to jump in here to a daily chart. Going to be a quick video. A couple things I want to mention as we starting to see it unfold on this XRP USD daily chart. So XRP is down here, or at least it was, pretty much still is. We are at an important level, and it's a support area. So every time we've gotten down into these lows here, right around this 50 cents, and you can see it once again over here, and then our current area, we have found support when we got to this 50-cent level. This will be the 4th time that we have, if we hold, found support at 50 cents. You could say that this was a nice retest here. Came close here, but not quite. But basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times when we got down to this 50-cent level, the price started to move back up quite a bit higher. So we will see if this holds. I wanted to bring this up so you keep an eye on it, and it correlates with these old highs right here. Don't mind the thunderstorm in the background. So we're at an important area here for XRP. If this does not hold, we are definitely heading lower, probably down into this zone, this 30 cent or so. A little tough to tell where, but there's a long way down there before there is support once again. So let's zoom in here to some more recent times. I'll clean up the chart. We are bouncing nice. It looks like we hit a low on the 30th of April, and that low was 56 cents. So we're up here at 61, almost 62 cents. Getting a nice little bounce, finding support so far right down where these lows were put in. And let's see if this can hold. Like I said, if it doesn't, things are going to get much more ugly, and you're going to see a much lower XRP, probably down into that 30 cent range. Hopefully that does not happen, but if it does, a lot of opportunity there for accumulation. Keep your eye on Bitcoin. That definitely is going to help or hurt the markets depending on which way it goes. But so far, we are finding support for XRP at similar areas that it did in the past. Now, if we take a look at, let me clean up the chart here. If we take a look at this area where we actually had a strong pullback, it took us some time before we started to rally up. So let's call it, it basically took us 12, 13 or so days before we started to really start to move higher. So if something similar plays out, that'll take us basically till the 14th or so, give or take a few days of May, before this thing could potentially really start to get out of here. We just don't know. We're just kind of sharing some ideas of what could play out. So keep your eye on that. Keep your eye on where we're at, right, at least where we were a day or two ago, for support down in that 50 cent area. Let me get a horizontal line on the chart. So basically right in here, that 54, 55 cent, give or take a little bit, is where we so far have bounced. And every time we've gotten down to there, we have moved back to the upside here. So does it play out again? The long XRP holders would sure hope so. So if it does not play out, I think probably down into this area, this basically right around 30 cents would be an area that you could find potential support, would correlate with some of this traded price action through here. So keep your eye on the bottom that is so far in, see if that holds. We could trade a little bit lower. We could actually trade down to basically 50 cents on the dot, 51 cents, and then it could bounce. If that doesn't hold, then there's a good chance heading down into that 30-cent range for XRP. Of course, all of us bulls would like to see us much, much higher, and I think we will get there at some point. Basically, XRP, no matter where you draw the fibs, is well below the 236, so history says great area to accumulate. All right, guys, I'm going to wrap it up here for XRP. Let's see if we can finally head higher here. Go ahead, subscribe to the channel if you have not yet done so. Let me know down in the comments your thoughts, and stay strong here if this thing starts to get wild, and hopefully it will reward all of us quite well here in the near term, and just got to have some patience. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. I'll catch you in the next one.